Hi friends, it's Julia. Welcome to 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, Series 11. Today is day number 28, and our sketch is a 3-photo sketch by Shayla Gail Knowles. Anywho, it looks like it has a band of paper at the bottom that's kind of on a diagonal, and the same at the top, with a 3-photo cluster in the middle with the title over one of the photos. I'll show you a close-up here in just a second. But for me, I'm pulling in 2 photos. I just want to use these 2, and so I'm going to make a central cluster here in the middle with my photos. And I'm going to use these pattern papers along with a plain white cardstock for my background. Anywho, so I've gone through my stash to pull in some embellishments that I might use. So let me show you what those are. I got a whole stack because I don't know what I want to use. Or there's a little bit of something on each of these that I feel like would work, but I don't know what I'm going to use. I pulled in this pack of Freckled Fawn embellishments, and it's got everything in here to use with, that came with this kit, I think. I've used it before. But you can see I have enamel dots, I have labels, I have some chipboard pieces. There's a lot missing from there. I have some washi stickers, and I have the letter stickers. I mostly pulled it for the letter stickers, and if I choose to use any of this other stuff, more power to me. I love getting what I have used and hanging on to it if I love it until I get it used up. Anywho, so I pulled in this little Dear Lizzie book because I thought there was a couple of stickers in here that might work. I pulled in these 3 from Close to My Heart. I pulled in these from the Snap Studio collection by Simple Stories that I pulled in. Those aren't all of the sheets, but those are the ones that I pulled in. I pulled in this set from We Are Memory Keepers. I pulled in this set by Horizon Group. Anyway, I think it's a like Dollar Tree set. I pulled in this little set from Bo Bunny, Only for the Man. That has to do with the daughter, but that had the word man is still on there. I pulled in these vellum stickers. I pulled these cork stickers. I pulled these 7 Gypsy stickers, and I thought I had another pack of those, but maybe not. Anywho, so I have these 3 Bugs in a Rug stickers. These are the Paper Loft flip-flop stickers. These are MMBI Soft Spoken embellishments, and those were originally dimensional stickers. I doubt that sticker in there still sticks. These both, I think they're from Making Memories from like a bazillion years ago, but I thought I might get some use out of something on here. I have this set from Echo Park. I don't know what collection. It's an older collection, but I thought, you know, I might be able to use something from there because I haven't pulled this set in yet. I haven't pulled these in yet. I haven't pulled these. I don't think I've used anything from there. I don't think I've used anything from here. I know I haven't used anything from there. And then all these others I've used something from, with the exception of this kit. I haven't used anything from here. So these embellishments are my priority. These are for, okay, what if, you know? So I'm going to get started. I will show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created in just a minute. Okay, friends, I am done with layout number 28. Let me show you what I didn't use. This sticker, this sticker book, this sticker sheet, this one. This was part of that Freckled Fawn kit that I pulled in. This was just in it, so I left it here so I'd remember to put it back with it. Let's see, that's Close to My Heart. Those are the old ones. I didn't end up using those, or this 3 Bugs in a Rug, or this Echo Park. I wanted to. It just didn't work out. These are the papers that I used. This was a scrap. This was a full sheet of paper, and I used 3 little 1/2-inch strips from here. And then this one I used to mat a couple of photos. This was part of the kit, but it was a scrap already. I used stickers from all of these sticker sheets. Somewhere, these were from the Freckled Fawn kit. I actually was able, those are more school themed. Did I pay attention? No. Not to all of it. Anywho, I saw the couple that I wanted to see, and those are what I worked with on this layout. I did use a piece of chipboard. I initially had 2 sets of this, and I had one of these little pieces of chipboard left, so I used that. I used some enamel dots. I used a cork piece. No, wait, I don't think I did use a cork piece. And I used a dimensional heart from here. I used a washi strip, and I used the green font from Freckled Fawn for my title, which you can't really tell it's the title. Anywho, here's the layout that I created. Pull that back down here. Here is my title, actually, Father and Son, and then I had those 2 dimensional accents from that one package, and so I used both of those that I had left, and it says like father, like son, my son, and I just added to that. I used scraps of paper behind here. I used scraps of paper behind here. When you cut those paper strips in 1/2-inch sections, they won't, and you put them on a diagonal, they won't span the layout. So you have to cut off another tiny little piece to put on one end or the other, and that's what I did here by using those 3. You can see I had washi tape on there. I used one of those composite pieces here and another one up here. I used a ton of those little labels and banners and things that I had. Faux washi tape. I used a couple labels here, a tab there, a sticker here, the heart here. I used that ampersand off that one page. I put a little enamel heart here, another label sticker, and another. Here's that little piece of chipboard right here. Yeah, I'm going to show you close-ups of the embellishment clusters at the end of the video, so if you're interested, stick around for those. Otherwise, I will be back with tomorrow's layout. I'm too close to the end to give up on getting it done now. So, anywho, I will see you guys tomorrow. I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up for all the hard work I've put in this month to get my memories documented. Anywho, I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.